to understand the strategy, right, the modern digital strategy as compared to using the outdated, inefficient, and in fact at times inauthentic way to do your prospecting in network marketing business, right, for the past, old decades, the modern digital way, right, provides you, at least for you to understand, is a lots of automations in generating new leads for customers as well as for team members. Let me draw for you this simple diagram to let you understand where are the automations coming from. Right now, of course, about the internet, right, in helping you to generate, right, consistently the qualified leads, right, which can be a customer or a business builder that is going to join your team, right, on this journey, right? Of course, to keep it simple, we are going to talk about the social media, isn't it? It is unlimited with billions of potential customers, right? Of course, you do not need a billion because based on marketing principle, the targeted ones are the ones that are more that you are interested in sending them the marketing messages through your content. Now, content, the meaning of content is just another way of saying that is where your marketing resources are. Take for example, when you recorded a video, right, in probably identifying some pain points in a person's lifestyle, right, in helping them to solve a certain type of problem, and you upload it into, on your social media channel that you can reach out to people that actually don't know you, right? And just a simple example like the video content, right? When you record it once, isn't it not so? It is there 24/7 to play and play while you sleep, right? Or while you're doing something else. These marketing messages are being received by lots of people, isn't it not so? So here, right, it's not difficult to understand, right? It is 24/7, so long as the internet is there, isn't it? Of course, not all social media platforms are made equal, right? So you need to understand the rules of the game on different social media channels. Take for example, if it is Facebook, right, or Instagram, or even TikTok, right? You posted it a fresh video content showcasing what you are offering to customers, right? The thing is, it only there, right, being pushed by the social media algorithm on the Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, right? It is only within probably 24 hours. It get a chance to be shown, right, to more people, right? And then after that, it kind of like, disappear. It is still there in your channel, but they are not being pushed to strangers that don't know you, right? So that is the downside. But at least there are some form of automation. Not only that, the advanced way of doing it is to schedule out, right? Schedule out your content. That means you do not need to be, on an ad hoc basis to publish your content. You can schedule them out in days or even months. So again, that's another upside because it will be automated, right? That means your marketing effort are automated, and there are lots of tools that can help you. One of it would be the AI tools, right? It is already very established to help you to achieve automation for content production to be published on the social media, right? To counter, right, that on the Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok platform, right, your content may only be shown only for 24 hours, right? So what other countermeasure do we have? Now, don't forget YouTube as well. YouTube. Now, unlike Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, which are the popular ones these days, they are called the social media. Now, don't put YouTube as a social media as well. No, YouTube is actually a search engine, right? It is a search engine, just like Google. And when you publish the same content on a YouTube, they are there forever, so long as the internet is there. That means strangers will continuously be able to find your content that you are showcasing your business opportunities or even your products. That is the beautiful part about omnipresence on the social media. That means you are present here, 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 and here. However, the rules of the game are different when you publish your content. And again, you can use AI with automation to help you in that area so that the content are very, very targeted to fulfill, right, the rules of the game on the different type of platform. So at this point, that means, right, to summarize, your marketing strategy highly recommended you to publish your content in all these channels, not one, right? Not just one or two. Recommended would be all. Now, in the old days, if you are doing it in the manual way, right, you will burn out because there are so much work need to be done. But now, if you master AI, right, in the digital thriving era, there are already AI and much AI tools, including AI agents that can help you, right, behind the scene. When you set it up, when you know how to set it up and customize it, of course, that will require professional coaching. That means you have to pay to learn such skills. Then it will ease off the issue of burning out because you got too many platforms to manage for your marketing contents, right? So that would be the solution. That means to keep it simple for you to understand in this training video would be to, my recommendation would be to use automations, and in the automation is being powered by AI, right? To help you to automate the very first thing that you're supposed to do, which is producing massive amount of video contents to be published in all these trending, right, and highly sought after channels, right? Let me repeat. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok are social media. YouTube, it is not. It is actually a search engine. That means if you are in the network marketing space, when strangers find your video,